Top Konkani words with English translations. Words starting with alphabet R. Konkani learn the easy way, the most commonly and regularly used Konkani words which are spoken in the southern side of Goa, that is Salsette side, are mentioned here in this video. Keep learning Amchi My Bas Konkani and keep promoting this lovely, beautiful language around the globe. Hi and hello all, welcome to my channel KonkaniLearn.com, a brand new channel, a fresh Konkani channel launched recently. Watch my recently uploaded videos which will be helpful to you to learn the beautiful Goanese language. So without wasting time, let's begin now. The first word, rag, anger. Rag, anger. Rajnamo, resignation. Rajnamo, resignation. Ranvoti, one who lives in the jungle. Ranvoti, one who lives in the jungle. Rat, night. Rat, night. Rashtriya, nation, country. Rashtriya, nation, country. Ratiche, night time. Ratiche, night time. Rakno, animals caretaker. Rakno, animals caretaker. Rakondar, caretaker. Rakondar, caretaker. Rao, wait, stop. Rao, wait, stop. Raunaka, don't wait, don't stop. Raunaka, don't wait, don't stop. Rand, cook. Rand, cook. Let's have a sentence with the word rand, meaning cook. Tu आज आमकां थोडें जेवण रांदनु. तूं आयज आमकां थोडें जेवण रांदनु. You cook little food for us, no? You cook little food for us, no? Next word, randinaka, don't cook. Randinaka, don't cook. Rand tolon, will cook. Rand tolon, will cook. Rauta, waiting. Rauta, waiting. Rapon, to fish. Rapon, to fish. Rekad, regards. Rekad, regards. Respade, respect. Respade, respect. Respare, nuptials. Respare, nuptials. Render, toddy taper. Render, toddy taper. Rin, debt, loan, credit. Rin, debt, loan or credit. Rinkar, debtor, loanee. Rinkar, debtor, loanee. Rodta, crying, weeping, wailing. Rodta, crying, weeping, wailing. Rod, cry, weep. Rod, cry, weep. Rod naka, don't cry. Rod naka, don't cry. Rogod, massage. Rogod, massage. Rogod naka, don't massage. Rogod naka, don't massage. Rogot, blood. Rogot, blood. Rockdaw, quick. Rockdaw, quick. Rock dots, quickly. Rock dots, quickly. Wrong, color. Wrong, color. Rompi, plant saplings. Rompi, plant saplings. Rope, clothes, clothing. Rope, clothes or clothing. Rosto, road, rosto, road, rozar, prayer, rozar, prayer, rogdo, grinding stone, rogdo, grinding stone, rugar, place, area, rugar, place, area, rook, tree, rook, tree, rukacher, on the tree, rukacher, on the tree, rund, broad, wide, rund, broad, wide, rupne, appearance, beauty or grace, rupne, appearance, beauty or grace, roop, appearance, beauty or grace, roop, appearance, beauty or grace, root, taste, savory, root, taste, savory, ruchiche, tasty, delicious, ruchiche, tasty, delicious. A sentence with the word ruchiche, tasty. Eyes, जेवण एकदम बरें आसलें रुचीचें. आयज जेवण एकदम बरें आसलें रुचीचें. Today the food was very good, tasty. Today the food was very good, tasty. Wow! That was another simple video with Konkani words and their meanings in English. How was the video? Hope it will benefit you guys. Have any questions? Put them down below and I will respond quickly. I love to read feedback. Till then, take care. See you soon. Bye bye.